Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is dedicated to the mothers. This is a drink that I would like to dedicate to the mothers who do have a little snip every once in a while, like I do. But what we're going to do is do a sangria. We're going to use some Zipmadale sangria and make a sangria fruit wine drink. First of all, you need to get any fruit that you like. Now, I didn't get strawberries because I didn't see what I wanted in the strawberries, but you can add strawberries into this drink. So what I got at the bottom, here I got the platform. That is cantaloupe, honeydew. We got grapes in there, honeydew, and we got pineapple chunks, and we got just adding little chunks of pineapple and adding grapes, whatever you desire to put in your sangria. And we just do that at the bottom like that. And then we're going to use it as a platform by using these right here. We're going to put some lemon in there. We're going to put some orange slices in there, just like that, y'all. Just like that. And we're going to add some pineapple in there. So you eat this drink. This is a drink that you eat. Put the pineapple in there like that. Put another pineapple because I love pineapple. And then we're going to put some lime. Look at the lime. Lime looks good. We can put the lime sort of like that. The lime in there like that. So we can show the lime. So we can show it real pretty. Like that. We're going to put some more oranges. I love oranges in my sangria. Okay, turn the orange. Now you can put the cherry in the middle of the orange. Let's see, it's falling out. We can put it back in the middle like that. Slice it over like that. Let's raise this pineapple up a little bit. And then we're going to put the orange behind the pineapple like that. How about that? Okay, and then we're going to put some more lime. I love lime. And I love the lemon. Ooh, lemon tastes so good to me. So we're going to put some more lime right there. And some more grapes right there. Let's put a grape there. And that's about all. It's pretty already, y'all. Look at it. It's pretty already. So what we're going to do now is going to pour the sangria. We're going to pour the sangria just like this. Fill it up to the top with sangria, like that. Look at that, beautiful. And then we're going to add some oranges at the top of it, like that. We're going to add a lemon, like that. And we're going to add a little lime, like that. Spread it out a little bit. There you go. That's a sangria for Mother's Day. Let's fill it to the top, y'all. And there you go. Ain't that beautiful? Ain't that sangria a beautiful drink? It's light. Now, I use the Amber Mist sangria. It's really light. It's not too alcoholic. It's just alcoholic. It's just perfect. And here's your sangria right here. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? All you do is get your spoon or fork or whatever and dip all that out of there, and you got you a sangria. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and happy Mother's Day, and thank you for coming to my channel. And I wanted to show you the pineapple. Look at the pineapple and the grapes, and look at that pineapple with the cherry in there. I'd love to show y'all that. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel again. I love all my subscribers. It's just that I have a lot to deal with and I try to get to your channel. If I don't get to your channel in a day or two, just give me time. I'll be there. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating. And look, again, happy Mother's Day to those who do drink a little wine every once in a while, which is fine. This is a sangria that I made for you.